We are going to perform a skit on Mahatma Gandhi Pushed out of the train. This is our train. This is the first class compartment. This is the second class compartment. This is the third class compartment. This is the fourth class compartment.
Tell me, do you think about health?
Health.
No, either. Do either. But this man is a Christian and he was beaten.
Excuse me, boss, but how long have you been in South Africa?
A week.
But I don't know how you got a ticket from.
Here today, just what are you doing in this car?
Why have a ticket? First class ticket.
How did you get hold of it?
I sent for it. It is in the post. I am an attorney. I did not have time to.
There are no color identities in South Africa. Go and sit where you belong. He gets to the black of the train. Gandhi is non-consumed and beginning to feel a little less sure of himself. The porter wanting to avoid trouble reaches for Gandhi's suitcase. I will take your luggage.
No, just a moment, please. You see, Mohandas K. Gandhi, attorney at law. I am going to Pretoria to conduct a case for any Indian trading field.
Did not you hear me? There are no colored atomers in South Africa. Gandhi is still puzzled by the Belgians, but is beginning to react to it this time with a touch of irony.
Sir, I was called to the bar in London and enrolled in the High Court of Chancery. I am therefore an attorney. And since I am in your eyes colored, I think we can deduce that there is at least one colored attorney in South Africa.
Smart lady Kapil throws him out. He turns and walks out of the compartment.
You move your damn Swami passes back to third class or I will have you thrown out at the next station.
I always go first class. I have travelled all over England and I have